Hey everybody. Thanks for joining me on my channel today with Amy's Creative Art. I'm Amy. Hello. I hope you guys are all doing well out there. I do appreciate you guys joining in, watching my video. I am doing a couple pieces. I'm going to do some beach pours on these. I have a show coming up in July, so I need to get a few more pieces made up. So let's get started. The colors that I'm going to use are eye candies. I didn't use this one. I use this. Noken blue. I'm going to use that for my dark. I use eye candies rainbow blue. So here is the Noken blue. I don't know if I'm saying it right, but that's what I'm guessing. And this is the rainbow. And then the next one that I'm using is Sora Aero Blue. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that correct or not. Eye candy has some really fun names, and I'm terrible at pronouncing them. This is that blue. That'll be the one closest to my beach. So I'm going to go ahead and start laying sand down. I have the tan sand and then I have white, so I'm going to do one of each. I get these at Michael's or just over by the glass filler section. I know some people put the resin down first and then the sand. I like to do it this way. It doesn't matter, whatever your preference is. I like to smash it down a little bit, especially towards where the resin is going to be poured for the water. That way when I blow the white over, I don't have such a big hump to go over. There's that one. This one will be a little harder to see. All right, just start there, and then I just take some resin and kind of drizzle it over my beach. The shells that I have, my cousin, when she goes, her and her husband, they go on vacations. And when they go, they bring me back shells from wherever they've been. Cabo, Puerto Vallarta. I think they go a little bit of everywhere. So they always bring me back some. Let's see here. The starfish I get from Michael's. Again, they're kind of over by the glass fillers and stuff. I think one I'm going to put some clear quartz on. This one. And then this one, I'm going to put some amethyst on. Then I just take a little bit of resin and drizzle it over the top of this, of the stones and the starfish, just to make sure that they all are secured in there and they won't come off. And the shells if needed, but most of the time the shells are pretty good in there. Oops. And there we go. And I just checked for air bubbles. I like it. I like bringing some waves up on the beach, but that's just my preference. You don't have to do that. If you decide to make one of these, they're really fun. Paste works the best, I found, for the waves, because you get those cool cells when they blow out. So, and you still get that very vibrant white. Yeah. Let me bring you down for a close-up. All right, so we'll look at this one first. Can you see all that sparkle in there? I just love Eye Candy's mica powders. Their paste, see how all those beautiful cells in the waves? So pretty. I do thank everybody for joining me today. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. And we'll like and subscribe and share and comment, all that fun jazzy jazz. I do appreciate you watching. Have a good day. Have a good evening and keep being creative. Bye-bye.